Today we are discussing the second ARC report. The topic is convergence. In large, complex governance structure, compartmentalization is inevitable. But as governance is brought closer to the citizens, this fragmentation should yield place to convergence based on the recognition that the citizens' need and concerns are indivisible, even in an otherwise efficient and honest administration. Isolated functioning of disparate government agencies and departments complicates the citizen's life immeasurably. Therefore, convergence must be a key principle in the organization of local governments. There are following broad areas of convergence which need to be addressed. First is with rapid urbanization and increasing need for peri-urban areas to be taken into account in city planning and development, there must be a greater institutional convergence between rural and urban local governments. Second, as earlier stated, the parastatal or parastatal bodies function totally dependent from the local governments and are directly accountable to the state government. Thus, the local government are often divested of their important functions. Such proliferations of parastatals runs counter to the principle of subsidiarity and precludes effective citizens' participation in the management of these services. The citizen is compelled to deal with the multiplicity of authorities to access even the basic amenities and services. The local functions of all these authorities, therefore, need to devolve on local governments, even as institutional mechanisms need to be devised to benefit from expert guidance. Third, the citizen must be enabled to interact with all services providers through a single window as far as practicable, increasingly all over the world. Several disparate services provided by different agencies of government are available to citizens under one roof. For instance, the post office is a nodal agency for voter registration and many other services in some countries. Single window agencies mechanism should be incorporated. Citizen centricity. The citizen is the heart of a democratic system. Therefore, all governance institutions, particularly local government, should should be judged by the satisfaction of citizens and direct empowerment of people. Representative democracy is a necessary mode of organization in government, while citizen sovereignty is acknowledged. It is empirical for citizens to participate in decision making in large structures. However, at the local community level, the citizens as a stakeholder can directly participate in decision making relatively easily. A Gram Sabha comprising all the adult residents of the village is a far more legitimate guardian of public interest. Similarly, in urban governance too, we need to create a smaller structure for decentralized decision making with people's participation.